Connect the shower arm to the PEX drop ear fitting so the finished shower head is secure and watertight. Start by identifying the exact location of the drop ear fitting relative to your finished wall plane and make a simple template from a scrap of cardboard to mark the center and height. If you are remodeling and the wall is open, slide a length of PEX to the rough-in and attach a PEX to male iron pipe thread adapter using the manufacturer recommended method for your PEX system, either a crimp, clamp, or push-fit connection, making sure you cut the PEX square and deburr the end. Thread the adapter into the drop ear fitting until it seats firmly against the back of the fitting, then hold that assembly in place while you screw the drop ear to your blocking using corrosion-resistant screws, making sure the ears sit completely flush with the blocking so the fitting will not shift when the arm is installed. If the wall is already closed, pre-measure and leave the threaded adapter length set so the finished wall will align the shoulder of the shower arm with the trim plate face. You can also use a temporary spacer or a piece of pipe to mimic the finished wall thickness while securing the drop ear. Always test the rough plumbing with a pressure test at the system test pressure recommended for your area before closing the wall to catch any threaded or PEX connection leaks. When the tile or wall surface is finished, wrap the shower arm threads with plumber quality thread sealant tape wrapped clockwise around the threads 3 to 5 times and hand start the arm until snug, then finish with a wrench turning no more than a quarter turn so you do not overstress the pipe or fitting. Common mistakes start with failing to secure the drop ear to solid blocking, which lets the fitting move and eventually leak, so always install solid blocking or an approved strap and tighten the mounting screws until the ears sit flat. Another frequent issue is cutting PEX too short so the adapter cannot fully engage the drop ear. Measure twice and leave a bit of extra stub out to trim later if needed. The third problem is over-tightening the shower arm against the fitting, which can crack plastic fittings or deform brass threads, so stop turning when the arm is snug against the escutcheon and use thread sealant rather than trying to force metal to metal for a tighter feel. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who list their services for showerhead and PEX work, and we provide a discussion community where users share tips and experiences about installations. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to connect with homeowners and participate in conversations about best practices.